Hey, what is going on there YouTube? This is Robert and today I'm bringing to an unboxing which is a little bit different to the norm because it's literally just like sneaker or shoe related at the end of the day. So we're going to slowly turn to see the package that is behind us, which we're going to be unboxing. And yeah, by the title you'll be able to tell if you know about it because I mentioned it the other day and I've mentioned it a little while ago but nothing too recent. So this is going to be my Derschutze or Derschutze, however you want to pronounce it or however it is pronounced, Japan sneaker unboxing. So I've waited for this for a little bit of time, but we'll get into the explanation in a minute. But yeah, I know that over this past week or so, or the next couple of days as well, a lot of other people are going to be receiving theirs, so I thought that I'd unbox mine. I've had it for about 4 days now, maybe 5 days, because I believe they arrived on Monday. So yeah, I've kept it a couple of days, but we're going to get straight into it now. Okay, so like I said, I've held on to this for a couple of days now. I couldn't peel the label, so I've just had to put a piece of kitchen roll over it to cover it up. But in short, like I said, this is from a brand called Derschutze, or you pronounce it as you want to. So a couple of months ago, I saw they made the sort of announcement and the post that they were going to be releasing a sneaker or a shoe. It was going to be very limited and it was going to be full of embroidery and different designs and things, and me, I really did like it, and everyone being everyone, as soon as they hear limited, they go for something. So yeah, a lot of people went for this, and I will probably throw my recording up in a second. It's not going to be like the most explosive thing in the world, but it's still going to be my footage of like my live cop of this. I just want to pair for personal, because I like them, but it's stressful. I think I need an EU 44 because that's a UK 9.5 normally. Okay. So I just hope that it's not going to get botted. 4-3. Right, I've got this. I'm actually stressed. I'll have to refresh, don't I? Oh no, the site's crashed. Oh, it's there for me. Option US 10.5. Add to cart. The site's loading at points and then it's crashing at other points. This is so bad. I've got it at the moment, like I'm on it, I've clicked add to cart, so...
Yeah, the site's completely down.
Yeah, it's fried. Oh, I'm back on, we're going, we're moving. Proceed to check out.
Well, I don't like PayPal because you always have to go back to the website and have it load.
True, I'll just do card. Screw it, we're going for it. Yeah, order's been received. Nice. So now that you've seen that, obviously it took me, I think 15 minutes in the end to check out because that's how fried the website was. It was just dead for the longest time possible. It was just absolutely destroyed because there were so many people obviously going for it. And a lot of people also had their orders cancelled. I know one person, being Cam, he had 2 orders I believe and one was cancelled, but he still has one, I think. So I hope that he's still got that. For the numbers, I believe they're meant to be, I can't remember whether it was 300, 400 or 500 overall made, but I was within the sort of 150 mark of like orders, of like the first order sort of thing, because I know that one of the things, or one of the orders that people had were at like 250 and another was at like 3 something, but yeah, I don't know whether it was just random if you got cancelled or what it was, but yeah, that is that. So let's get into this anyway. Also, that's my case because, yeah, I mentioned it the other day and I thought I'd just show it, so yeah. Right, let's unbox this. There's also meant to be a patch in here. So there's meant to be like an embroidered patch included or shipped with it. That is a free gift as an apology because basically they were stuck at the Chinese border, I believe. And yeah, so the production sort of date and shipping date was meant to be sort of start to mid-ish of October, as it was meant to be 2 months overall. It went a little bit past that, obviously, because of everything going on, which, you know, they can't really do anything about, so I appreciate it's still arriving, you know, within a good time frame. It's not doing us, you know, a bit of a lotus. So let me just take my invoice out. The invoice is quite cool. Right, I was gonna say I'll just tear this off, but I won't. I'll turn it around so you can see what I'm seeing, which is cool. Also, I just want to say, so that's what you see first and foremost. Now let's just get them out. box is really soft. It's like a, can't remember what boxes feel like this. It's not the Presto, it's like the Air Max 1 anniversary box has this sort of soft feel that this has. It's a different sort of cardboard feeling, so yeah, let's move that out of the way. Let's move everything out of the way now so that we just have this, and yeah, let's turn it at the same time so that we can both see. Oh, that's really cool. Okay, can you see what I'm seeing? That's amazing. Oh my god. Right, so here we have, I'm guessing, is this a sticker? Or yeah, it must be, it's a thick sticker that says the brand, obviously. Then we have two little things here which are sticker packs that they've included. That's also cool. I feel like opening one, but at the same time I don't want to open them. I want to keep them new with it. I'm not selling these, obviously. These are mine for me. I ordered my size. I almost forgot the front here. Wait. As you can see, there you go. Yeah, these are for me, these are mine. I know that a lot of people are selling theirs, but that's not what I'm going to do. So let's get these out. Oh wow. Oh, that's so nice. That's so clean. Let's get the other one out. Really nice job. Honestly, I give props to them for the work that they've done during all that's going on to get these out and to still be producing and making things during all that's going on. It's just amazing. And yeah, these are definitely just, they're worth the wait at the end of the day, I would have to say, for sure. The embroidery is absolutely amazing and all of their little details are just great. So let's go from bottom to top, obviously. So obviously on the bottom or on the base, we get them both. You can see they've got their, you know, name on the bottom. Moving on, obviously, you've got it there as well with the logo. Then because they are like the same sort of thing or the same design, which to replicate and get the same except for obviously on the toe, it's different. But yeah, we will just go around pretty much so that you can see all of the embroidery and everything up close. This is really what just made me want to go for it, because I love embroidery and like there's no way to define it. It is just absolutely amazing, the detail and everything. And yeah, obviously you know what it's meant to, like what silhouette it's meant to be. You've obviously seen all the rest of it, but I'll just go around again on the other one until we reach the toe. I'm happy. I'm really happy, honestly. And yeah, these are obviously going to be part of my collection, and there isn't a lot to say apart from that. What does it say on the inside? Designed in Hamburg, www.derschutze.com @Derschutze_CLO. That's cool as well. A little bit of an extra plug on there. I like that. I respect that. But yeah, that is going to cover this unboxing. If you've stayed until this point in time, got a little extra, you know, because obviously I like to just sometimes add things in that that aren't part of everything. Also, let's just crack one of these open, because why not at the end of the day? Take a look. Oh, it is an embroidered patch. Oh, it's an iron one. You can iron it on. Okay, we're opening both of them. No, this is sticker though. Okay, we'll go through the stickers first, because stickers will just, well, I like to collect stickers, so yeah. There are those. And then with the patch, which you can iron on yourself, which is amazing. So fair play for doing that, that's really cool. So like I said, if you stick around and watch, you can enjoy some other aspects to unboxings, and as of that, I have these two packages to unbox, which won't be in the thumbnail or anything. You will only see them if you watch the video. So yeah, so let's slide this out. So here is number one. As you can tell, you might be able to tell what it is. This is going to be my sneakers win. Oh wow. Yeah. Yeah. Nice. A little bit of dirt here and there, might be a lint roller, but overall, that's amazing. So there you go. There's one that you can, or you've seen by this point now. And here's the other, which you're probably like, wait, what's that? Well, this is another one. So yeah, there you go again. So yeah, I won 2 of them in the end, obviously hitting sneakers and then another raffle. So yeah, they're just going to stay in my collection. One might be to rock, the other to stock. I don't know what I'm going to do or what I'm going to decide on in the end. You might be able to tell where it's from if you look close, but there's that is gone now. But that is going to cover this video. So thank you for watching. The main highlight, as you can see, is here. Obviously, it's great in order to get these and everything, but this was really the main thing that I've been waiting on for the last little bit of time. I was going to wear my rainy day hoodie, buy them as well, but yeah, I just thought I'd keep it nice and simple. And yeah, I'm really happy with it, honestly. I'm really happy. Just gonna check the insole actually, because it didn't look. I didn't check, but the insole also has their name on it, or their name, yeah, on it. So that's really cool. But yeah, that is going to cover this video. I'm happy, you know, I really am. They're really great, and yeah, they're for me, they're for my collection in the end, and at some point, hopefully I'll be rocking them. I was obviously going to wear the rainy day hoodie, like I said, but it was a little bit hot, so I decided against that. But yeah, that is going to cover the video. Thanks for watching. If you've received yours, if you did order these, then comment down below. Other than that, I will see you all next time. Peace.